People in the water. Ooh, where's that freaking thing? Friggin' flooding. Wow, people right there. Look at that. A laptop. No. No.
Oh, okay, dude.
Voice commentary by Joe.
What?
Voice commentary. You're on the video, foo.
I'm on the video?
Yes.
Oh. Did they hear that?
Hopefully.
Oh.
You're an idiot, man.
Never. I'm trimming my ear socket.
I don't care.
Ow. The clip just scratched me. Dummy clip.
I ain't seen any more cars.
And put my speakerphone thing up to the camera or whatever.
That's what.
Yeah, the earphone that you hear out of? That's the camera.
No, that's on speakerphone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really. Wait, whoa! Dude, that is awesome.
What?
There's like this one car just plowing through the water.
There's one in the middle of the road.
Right. Oh.
I don't see it. Where's that bag? That's okay, it's right there. Alright. Speak. Speak. Wait, hold on. Okay, now.
I had to speak up more. Why?
Because the thing might not hear you.
Okay, I'm on a pork chop.
Joe wants a pork chop. I gotta like move down there.
Hold on.
I have to clean my camera off.
Come on, George.
Oh wait.
You're gonna have to see me pee.
Emergency light, see that? They ain't moving. Alright, ow. Got my eye.
Now, sweet.
Oh yeah. And that's all for now. What is with these people, man? Well, good for you, I don't care. I'm sure it does. You feel like a baby now, don't you? Just insane, man. Wait. Ambulance. And where'd it go?
The light is working?
Going down.
Yeah, I see the line from there.
Oh, hold on. Okay, yeah, you're in the video.
So I guess this doesn't happen since you were in kindergarten.
Many.
What?
Bananas! Cars out here. This is insane, man. Let's get up to the water.